I mean, this is probably the most rigorous test it's going to get.
Yeah, she's all right, Reg. I've had to ditch the MX-5. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is a follow-on from the last TD5 one. If you haven't watched that, I'll leave a little card up there. But basically, my brother's Land Rover Discovery 2 needs a new head. So in the meantime, just to keep him going, getting around and stuff like that, until we can get around to doing that job, we're going to go and have a little look at another car, just so we can get to work and stuff. So yeah, we're going to go and have a look now. So I'm just going to go and pick him up, and we're going to drive out into the middle of nowhere where this little car is, and we will have a look. So I'll catch you there.
These proper fucking hills have eyes. Like little caravans.
What even was that? There's nothing even there.
No idea. Literally.
Oh, it's the camera. Oh shit, the bed.
What was it? Oh, we ain't gonna make it, are we?
Not even slightly, Reg. Oh my god.
Something's hanging off.
No, I think it's just the camera of the road. Yeah, it's just the camber.
Yeah, you need to be over there. Cool. Do I Google Map it? Just make sure we're actually going up the right road. Now come this way. Really? Right, try this way then. Try this way. You can get a wheel here. You can get a wheel here. Get your left hand wheel there. Right hand wheel there. Go over it that way. Where even are we?
Right, let's try it again.
It's quite a way longer.
Huh?
It's quite a way further.
Really? Yes!
Nice.
We're out. I wonder.
We got another one.
Oh, great. That's it.
Oh god. How many more of these are we going?
I don't know, we're now stuck. And we can't go forward and we got to get back over that thing. Oh, great.
Well, he's just going to have to grasp that one, isn't it, I think? We don't scope it.
Yeah, I'm going to have to. Oh, dear.
What a day.
Oh, what a day. Hiya. No, I'm just navigating this. I don't know if I'll make it. It's a bit low. Yeah.
Right. I think you need to attack this one out.
Oh, there was so much groaning and oh dear. No, that was an oh what day. Oh, what a day.
Right, let's try it. Someone messaged me. That was something on X5, isn't it? Oh, it made it.
Did you see it?
Unscathed.
I'm gonna have to get out of this camper, that's what it is.
Get right over here.
Oh, there's another one.
I'll
Oh, you're joking me. I'm not even going to get over that.
Yeah, go up on the grass, you'll be alright. You just need to separate your wheels out. Go up on the grass. Left up.
Can you jump out and have a look?
Yeah, just go for it, you will make it.
No, I definitely won't.
Guarantee it. Yeah, you're up. Now go. Now keep going. That's it. Lovely.
Oh my god.
Right, only 6 more to go.
I hate it. I actually hate it. Why did I bring this car?
Oh, here we go.
The worst comes to us.
Oh wow, this is definitely the worst one. Look at that. Look at that. It's all of 3 inches high and we can't make it over it. Some. Maybe in pieces.
Oh God almighty.
How on earth are you going to get out of there? You have to do this on the way back. So we'll just leave it and we'll walk.
Shall we?
It's a solid 3 miles.
Are you joking? Oh!
No, you're right, where are we?
Oh, Reg, I'm not even having a laugh here.
Okay, alright, let me just...
I'm going to have to park it here.
Right, no, look.
This is the right.
Yeah, that's it. It's the last one, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't even get over that.
Right, okay, park up.
Right, we've had to ditch the MX-5 because these are just horrendous. I mean, that looks pathetic on camera, but it's so low. We literally can't even get over them, so we're going on foot. And I've lost Reg. Mini getting some maintenance. Right, I'm going to go and find Reg and then I'll cut back. You found it? Uh-huh.
Literally, we're like a couple of miles away.
Are you taking the pic? Oh my god.
Speed bump, watch out.
Is it actually that far?
I have no idea. Hopefully we're on the right road.
Oh, you joke.
Right,
This is Solent Road, isn't it?
We're there. It's saying it's there, but
Yeah.
it could be anywhere along this road.
Oh my god. Yeah, Anna, give me a lift.
Sorry.
Sorry, Reg, I'm finding the car.
Sorry. We've been walking for 3 hours.
Oh, it's there.
There it is.
Yes.
Brilliant.
Oh, thank God for that.
And then it just
Oh, I see. So you just unping it and then.
yeah.
Oh, that's not too
now,
bad.
yeah, there's these back seats. They go right down, so you've got actually quite a good boot space if
Yeah, with them down, yeah.
yeah, with them down. It doesn't usually happen down, to be honest, but we put them up for.
Yeah, cool.
Just at the back of the engine, you can see it's all really quite wet.
Oh, okay.
Just
Yeah.
around there. I think it's probably
Interesting.
a gasket at the top end somewhere.
Okay. Yeah. Well, it's not
Hopefully-
something they've flagged up with us, but
No.
yeah.
It's the annoying thing about MOTs is they only look at safety stuff. They don't care if it blows up the next day, do they? As long as your seatbelts work.
Seatbelts and headlights, isn't it? They
Yeah.
brakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Yeah. High rev at the start and then
Yeah.
Yeah, just choke.
I used to have one, but the long one, and it, with a V6 engine, but it was a, yeah, but it didn't have a vinyl top. It was just a hard top. They're great. I love them. I think they're brilliant fun. But like you say, they are quite cumbersome, to drive around. So I think they're all they're all like
you
that.
probably wouldn't drive to Scotland.
No,
Around the island.
it's ideal, especially out here, isn't it? You know.
Plenty to get to work, really. First time I've been to Cranwell, So am I going to turn up to work in this on Monday?
Reg, you're buying it either way, aren't you?
I'm already sure.
I know you are.
Yeah.
You know you are. It's just a matter of how much money you're going to get off
Yeah, practically. Yeah.
by getting a bargain on. So this is different to my old Vitty.
It is. I think this is a lot older than yours, though.
Yeah, mine was an R Reg. Maybe that.
No airbags. very good road to learn what it drives like on.
No.
Brakes.
Oh, they work. God, they're quite good actually.
A bit spongy.
Are they?
Yeah. But they stopped.
Oh, look at that Mazda though. Right, this is the bump we couldn't get over. And it was as easy as that. We are off. Jesus, don't we hit the brakes?
She accelerates well.
It does, doesn't it? Consider it. It's only a light little car, I suppose. Is it faster than... Oh. Is it faster than your TD5? The brakes
I'm not
definitely.
really sure, I'm just a bit...
You just have to drop a gear there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to be a lazy old gearbox, though, isn't it? It's not going to be bloody...
I mean, she goes then. Right, let's go. There's no more. She's a bit floaty, but she goes. Oh,
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
come on then.
Send. Yes!
She changes gear
Yeah,
eventually.
it's just it.
Is it? It's that one, isn't it? Which one?
Next one,
Oh yeah.
the one with the lions.
I mean, it goes, doesn't it?
Yeah,
It's good enough.
995, it's an absolute steel wedge.
That's a good take to get used to.
What, an auto?
Yeah. Because you're like, why are you not changing gear? So I don't want to flat out all the time.
Can't you shift it to manual and do it on the flappy paddles?
Can you do, what's L?
So L is like basically first. I think you have to put it in L and then this L.
L and then what L?
This L. I think, I don't know.
Oh, right.
But 2 means it don't go out of 2 or further than 2. Normally that's a 1, so it won't come out of first, or you go into 2 and it won't come out of, it'll go first and second, no more.
Just stop here next to green bush.
Imagine a V8 in there.
Might be sick, huh? Yeah, the wheel's a little bit off, it needs a tracking doing, or there's a ball joint gone.
Or you just turn it.
Right, look. Look at this.
Speed bump.
Look at this incredible response.
There's not much play there, is there? Oh, we are off-roading now.
Right, what?
Jesus Christ.
Just tested the brakes.
I think she goes lovely, Reg. Is it hot yet?
Not yet. Well, it's over the cold.
That's right. So it is getting warm.
Yeah, it's going on. Oh, I didn't check the oil cap, did I?
Bugger.
Normal.
A head gasket on this would take all of 3 seconds.
I think so. I mean, it'll do.
Right. What, to get you to work while
I mean,
you change the head on the landing?
yeah, it's
left.
not exactly got the
Mate, he's just casually having a fire.
proper old Jippo cam down here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's weird out here. It's nice though, I like it.
You want to do the old banjo song? Yeah. Oh, smoke.
Hang on, what? What is...
Burning bodies.
That smells like plastic. What is that? Is that an underground chimney or something?
There's bodies. They're burning them.
What is that? That
Oh,
stinks.
it is plastic.
Is it?
Yeah, it's plastic.
Pretty sure you shouldn't be burning plastic.
It's probably the plastic is probably the clothing that was on the body.
Or it's that bin bag we ran over in the MX-5.
Maybe that was your MX-5. Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
Ugh.
God!
Oh.
Ah.
God.
Well, it goes off-road, right? I mean, this is probably the most rigorous test it's gonna get.
Yeah, she's alright, Reg. She's a good little girl. I think it's just here.
She's just go back, fucking absolutely caked in mud. No thanks.
No, you're right, love.
Oh shit.
Oh god.
Right, okay, we're in. They probably
Oh
think.
god, he looks happy.
He looks well happy, doesn't he?
Yeah. What do you reckon then?
He's a fairly strange guy.
Yeah, they're both are. Yeah.
Right. Done deal. I now own a shit.
But a beast, nonetheless.
For a couple of months.
Oh, there's a beehive over there. At least you can't ride the clutch.
No, that's it.
You ain't got one.
Right,
We are out of here.
mine now.
Right, that's it then, guys. Thanks for watching. Reg has now got a nice little Suzuki JLX or Suzuki Vitara, whatever you call them. Little 1.6 soft top. That should keep him going, get him to work and stuff while we sort out the head issue on his TD5. So subscribe to the channel if you're new. That'll keep you up to date with the ongoing bits and pieces. More MX-5, E92, Vitara and Land Rover content, and any other absolute poo boxes we buy. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.